Welcome back to the Uncle Ron channel, my skillets. How y'all been? Y'all been missing me? I haven't cooked a whole lot this summer. But you in for a treat today, because we're going to spatchcock some chickens. We're going to throw some artichokes in some boiling water. And make some butter beans. Y'all hang tight, we'll be right back. Now we got our chicken laid out. All I've done is I opened them up. I do got some chicken wings here. I forgot about in the intro, but I'm gonna fire up the grill. I'm throwing some chicken wings on there. We're gonna put those spatchcock method on these chickens. And the first thing we need is a sturdy pair of scissors. And I know where they're at. Y'all wanna go with me? Y'all wanna do a little vlog in the middle of this stuff? Come on. Come on! We're gonna vlog with a totally different camera. Hold up. You wanna see something cool? What up, little baby chickens? Those are my little chickens. Those are my big chickens now. But this is where I remember leaving. That lens fogging up. Oh gosh. This is turning out tremendous. This is straight up Mississippi humidity. Hey, there's a chicken house. That's where the chickens live at. Y'all hadn't seen chicken videos. They're on TikTok. But look at all the baby chickens we got too. They so cute. Look at that little crazy chicken jumping up in there. But look, I remember where I left my scissors. I was cutting out some chicken wire. But they're clean. Oh wow, look. Look what we got. The mama chickens done hooked us up. Alright. Let's grab some eggs. And then we'll go back in the house. Bye, little baby chickens. I'll see y'all in a little while. See them mama chickens? They've been going to town this week. I hadn't even had a chance to cook any eggs. Alright, let's get back to the video. Alright, back to regularly scheduled programming. We got the big scissors. We're gonna take the spine out. I've been using these Milwaukee scissors. Spatchcock stuff. Dude. I mean, these chickens are still like a tad. There's a tad bit of frozenness to them. And this thing right here. These are the best kitchen shears I've ever had. Just kind of cut right through that spine. Look at there, guys. Whole chicken spine right there. Alright, you don't have to watch me cut the other one. But I'm going to. Now, we got those spines cut out. We're going to take our little hatchet style knife. We're going to cut that breastplate. Just so we can open these bad boys up real good. Nothing crazy. We're just going to open them up. See, I told you. Through the ice. Let's do a little bit of ice in that, inside that chicken. Good thing about doing this too is you know that you got all the chicken giblets out. So let's start drying it off. We just got some paper towels. We're going to soak up as much moisture as we can. Kind of flip them over. Do the same thing on that side. Alright. You know what I just did? I'm gonna eat it. Y'all gotta see this. Y'all gotta see it. This chicken, I didn't flip this chicken over. I spatchcocked the breast. I thought it felt weird. Look, there's the back of it with the spine. Alright, we're trying something new today on Uncle Ron. We're gonna reverse spatchcock one of these fucking chickens. Alright. There we go. We got some drying off that skin, so. Alright then. Here's something I don't really talk about a whole lot on my chicken videos. If I got room, I got room. A lot of times, I like to take the chickens, put them in the refrigerator while I'm lighting the grill, maybe get some other stuff going. It seems to just kind of really get them nice and dry before we start oiling them up, putting seasoning on there. So here we go, chickens in the fridge. Now, I don't know if I ever showed you guys this before, but it's cleaning out a grill. You get giant scoops of ash and your dog chases it. Like it's her favorite thing in the world to do. Comment down below if your dog chases big clouds of ash. Now the method that we're going to use tonight to light our charcoal is get our little chimney deal filled up. We got a couple of these tumbleweeds. We're just simply going to light those tumbleweeds up. Set our charcoal down on top of it. Alright, let's get back to the kitchen where the lighting's way better. For our second dish, we're going to make artichokes. You need a really sharp knife, like this Purple Bird knife right here. They sent me for free because I make really good TikToks. But y'all don't know shit about no TikToks. Y'all 14 people that follow me. That's okay. I still love y'all. Y'all get the really long videos too. So we're just going to cut the top. I'll cut the top off of it. And then we're going to cut the little stem. We're going to cut it off. And then we're going to take these little points on all the leaves. We're going to cut them off. And we're fixing to do this to 4 of them. My wife will do 4 artichokes. Maybe not all at one time, but they'll all get it. Alright guys, I'm going to move on to the other 3 artichokes. Might sharpen that knife a little bit too. Alright, hang tight, I'll be right back. Alright guys, we got our chicken out of the refrigerator. We rubbed them down with some grapeseed oil. And now we're going to hit these bad boys up with some hotty toddy barbecue crew. It's actually beef seasoning, but I like this shit. We're going to season our stuff up. We're going to put a good sprinkle on the inside, outside, both sides. We're probably going to use the rest of this whole jar of it. We're going to be some kind of seasoned up. Even on the special backwards spatchcock. What if this turned out to be like a new deal? Like, I know most people spatchcock their chicken in the back. But not me. Not me, huh? I like spatchcocking my chicken from the front. Yeah. There you go. We also got some Take a Bite Quiet out of Memphis seasoning. It's just a Memphis chicken rub. This fat part out. And it's a pretty good rub, man. I bought it somewhere I don't even know. Y'all know me, I'll be buying seasonings. I'll use them for a while and then I'll buy something else and I'll use that for a while. clumped up pretty good though. I guess that's a good sign though. That probably means it ain't got much MSG in it. The MSG is what keeps the seasonings fresh, but it ain't good for you to eat. But I ain't no health ministry. Anything like that. I do know it tastes good though. It does taste good. But I'll take a little clumped up spices to just have some healthy stuff in it. Alright. We pretty much gonna let this stuff sit here for a second. Soak in. I'm gonna go close up the grill and get that thing up to temperature. We ran out of battery, but we got one of these little cast iron corn looking things. We're gonna juice it up a little bit. We're gonna pour our cornbread in it. We're gonna tell everybody it's grandma's recipe. Shh. Grandma, don't tell nobody. So let's talk about how we're cooking this chicken tonight. I don't know exactly what you want to call it, but I'm going to call it the offset method. We had our charcoal over here. We've had our chicken over here for about an hour. And I got kind of impatient. I threw them directly over the fire. So right now they've been over the fire probably 5 minutes per side. And they're actually looking really cool. And so is the reverse spatchcock I invented tonight. Yeah, y'all can thank me for that later. But right now we're gonna move it back off to the side. They're running about 150 degrees, and we're just gonna let them slowly finish. All right, let's move them over real quick. Alright guys, we're pretty much ready for a taste test. As soon as these bad boys get about 165. Alright guys, so it's time for a taste test. Now, we still got our big chickens in here. They're not quite hot as I wanted them to get. But it's getting late, so let's taste test chicken wings. Let's see. Got that flat. Mmm. That's good. Grandma's cornbread recipe. Mmm. Tastes just like we at Grandma's house on Thanksgiving. With the lima beans. Dude, that's good stuff right there. But until next time, Uncle Ron loves y'all. This one looks like when your wife loves artichoke. It's like artichoke chicken wings, barrel ground.